Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a lithium-ion battery-powered glue gun. And so what this is going to do is, it's going to be a caulking gun, you know, like that. And then, oops. So the way it will work is the batteries will snap on. Looks like it comes charged already, which is nice. And then I can pull this out. Let's see, how do I do that? Do I turn it? Push the top button here. I can pull it out, stick my caulk inside of it like that, and then I'm not going to do it. This one's not even open. Right? Any of them are open? No, none of them are open yet. So I'm going to say I'm not going to do it at the moment. But you know what you do? You stick the caulk gun in there, and then as you push it, you can see it's pushing it in at a nice, slow, steady rate. There it is. See, it's coming out there, and so that will clear your caulk. So if you have any, oh, that's good. When you stop it with that, it even smart enough to back off a little bit. That's good, so you won't get all that extra come out. And so it is sweet. And so it looks like there's a little dial on here. So if I go down to 1, oh, that's gonna be ridiculously slow. And then if I go up to 6, it was the fastest. So that's how you should do the speed. That's right there. That's the speed. There, that is cool. And so this is gonna come in handy for me now when I'm doing some caulking around the house instead of getting random beads or having to buy that other caulk that is the squeeze tubes. Now I can do it in this and it'll be nice and lots of less effort than having to squeeze that thing and get uneven squeeze out. And then there is a little screen on here. It says, welcome to the glue gun, use time 0 hours, 0 minutes, 16.9 volts. It's kind of cool, it kind of tells you that. Does it say anything else? It just says now it's using 17 volts. That's cool. That's just cool. So just kind of a little screen. Not sure I'll need the screen for anything, but it's cute to have anyway. And then you can just take this off here. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have a little clear your caulk or to save your caulk. We have a bunch of different little caulking tools here. We have the whole kit to smooth everything out so we can do some corners and whatnot. Different sizes there. This one here, bigger one here. This one here will caulk and squeeze at the same time. I've never used one of these before, but it seems like a good idea, I guess. You put it on the end of your caulk. I guess you'll put it in there. And then when your caulk tube squeezes it squeezes out right there. And then you can just do your line as you go. That's kind of cool. Actually, that'll be fun to try. And then the charging cable to charge our batteries, just plug it in and go. So very cool. Nice little kit here that it comes with everything you need. I had to buy my own caulk, but that's it. And then when I'm done here, I can squeeze this button here, I think, and push it all back in. And there we go, ready to store. Thumbs up, really nice.